Yeah, bedu 2028 na Ghana gold ye why Shatta Wale chin na dan ko mu.
No grass, you can reprise manual.
Mama
Na
pounds.
maame no dia maame mfa nto aso na meda. Ma
Okay.
bo me nsem ama no papa CJ no. Na mi nhyira no pa wa ya de wo kyese wo ye wo baamu ane kukuodu. Wa mama ha ma no mantwa me si ensu e be fa no wa no mu bi. Mo be yi na de enso so ne mo be pere so be gumani mu asanza na mo yi mu na bi.
Yeah, bedu 2028 na Ghana gold ye why Shatta Wale chin na dan ko mu.
No grass, you can reprise manual.
I don't know what can be sasa.
Na ne go ni kon good there papa there.
Saku dey say ya lomi.
Enti muka asem no wie o.
Saku dey say ya lomi. Oni ne kun tokwa no say ya lomi. Etina say 2028 there. Say Shatta Wale ni egu ni kumri nya pure gold. Pa de ne ne Ghana ye wu because I no pay na beka.
Na AyEka.
Because onu ni gold pay na ntimi nye.
Grant says, "See, come more package go on. They do 2027, 2028 now. Woman, they are about Togan phobium.
Ai. Ai. Hey, everybody on my baby. That's it. The voice, minim baby. I don't know. That everyone wants to beat me sorry na pass ojare okoto aba my English. Say sanko for ye tu omo wo fomo. Ti ye tu omo piti mo. So mo da baby ni ahye da akoyi om say zombie mu zombie. Ara wo the voice. Say who can be bia. No, she say and one said they don't listen. Ye kotie sami jamfi. Mmeche masami jamfi abeka. Sami jamfi kan o twa ntro kra ye no kre. Ono so kra adwen bi anka nche ne se mi ame so mi nkoda mi kwa mi read na menti ase. Se menti ase pa mi fam obi no nkyerechire mi mu. NDC fosu ban no. Na san krofo we wo man mu a ebe de no man na yeye. Enu ti na de bia me kase esese yisifo etimi ye IQ test before the voting card ashe wunsem. Because see a sound mind 18 years old and of a sound mind and you be Shatta dey be a sound mind oh. And you be Shatta dey
And one can bet you nipa bebre, I mean, you're more free.
I can be there too. And can be there. It is so much me a quick IQ test. Would be 5 questions and 3 questions. 3 questions in period. It's what me two. And send the card I show you. Now, Mona Mosemo got to Abano. What na homa a yifo wemu sakramaifu binu I can say and dan jenifo akwakoto aba eyi wemu diam eyi akromfo e dia maye yahoo fo mafias e dia ba and na ye gold share by December na good way na sentino next one e box site now where do be a teaser God we dey teaser keke ni etaye chire na eba no chenchenche.
Mainly, I'm so proud of that woman. Maybe no, yeah, I make decisions or I mean, because of Nipan agenda to we want Ogoya competent, right? But I'm so proud of this lady. Say once now, Emma John Mahama and trample upon her rights. So I'm very, very proud. ECOWAS court we are yes. I'm so proud of her. And we are the day now.
Oh, that be finish up. Go ahead.
On fight it. No, like it's gonna be a benchmark. I wrote on Twitter about a youth lady. He said it's gonna go down in history. Said John Mahama government and a call we abstain from voting the same way, you know.
UN, but don't UN, United Nations.
Yeah, United Nations are co abstaining. The
Yeah.
same way it's going to go down in history when this lady, Georgina, your father said,
Otokono get to Otokono.
get to, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, voice say.
Yes.
They say Ghana into Bema womb.
Yes.
Yem say yemma no cry chere akukuduro. Mpo chen ye mema. So oba besia. Was it when me betchen a? Miss me no betchen. Wadru ECOWAS court. E mema ha na timi course a. Obi a te ho e na de anya na di yen. Timi say bu say biom say o man na e ho no bema wom. Say anka president pa enua de o man japade nka wonko ho.
Oferimpo. Yeah, because it's too obvious.
See, they would deem for it.
Yeah.
Now, we say president na Babi Jirahon Maka say, and if say there, it was say, then can you come the camera or before Flower Yumpo, own Ghanaian access and as if you be point saying. Mumia, and you know, they say the next person by any of us, you can say. Not the next person by any downfall. Na slave queens I do move chegum there.
Hey. Cash.
Ay.
Yenkon.
Brother. Homete na me bompa ye mame nedi
Gertrude
Tokonu.
Tokonu, yeah.
Say nyamenya na dom. Na woni nkunim.
Amen.
Na de besi bia so no. Mama ye money dawro. Pa na Ghana fo hu se. Apan we no one oman Ghana enni ni ye.
Cry.
The judgment that basic him more money dawro pa. So let's say yenina ye go de beye yen Thomas ame janfia woni na ebetwa price e beto no.
So no try. They say there's we try we.
Say kra no pa wonye ayi ndisifo pa mo nye bi mpo. Amafo beye no maton kitwa bi because ya shema na wuntimi fa nko baby a ene ka beye no ma media sie we are me two form baby e na me pack me go na me cement slab atoso o my we dey mu tina nye do e mu tina mu ka ho ndie
AyEka.
ya mamu yako.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yo, thank you so much, Uncle. All right, it's still possible. But before she comes in, let me quickly read this. So Ike says that not that they don't know the truth, too. They know it, but I think he's referring to the pastors and the people who are quiet now. Mr. DJV said they've all been bought. Joshua says, Aspiring says that judgment debt was part of the budget. All right, it's still possible. Let me hear you. Yes.